you the game of adjectives, logical adjective game. Here the child is given two stacks of words, one representing the noun in black, another representing the adjectives in blue. The child is told to match the words and get the object. Hard teddy. The child needs to think, can a teddy bear be hard? No. Soft teddy. Yes, a teddy bear can be soft. The child now comes with the soft teddy and shows this is correct. Now we'll tell the child to assemble one from here and one from here. Hard flower. Can a flower be hard? No. We'll replace it with a big flower. A flower can be big. The child goes and gets a big flower. Now, green ball. Does it make sense? Yes, it does. Let's get the green ball. A hard car. A car that is hard. Does it make sense? Yes, it does. A car is tough. A hard